Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more videos. Today I will be doing a tutorial on my Valentine's Day look. We are starting off with prepping our skin with the Makeup Forever Hydration. I do have combination skin and this is what works best for me. Next step is eyebrows. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Duo with an angled brush to really get into the eyebrow, make them look as full as possible. Now I'll be using the NARS concealer to go ahead and have the eyebrow cleaned up from the bottom. And any leftover product, just go ahead and brush it down, or you can use a blending brush to blend it more into the skin, but I will be doing this later on. Now for the top part of the brows, I'll be using my Morphe foundation. The reason for this is to have it blended more with my foundation once I put it all over my face, as opposed to the concealer, since it is brighter than my regular foundation. I don't want the eyebrows to stand out too much from the top part. The next thing I do is use the eye primer, and I use it with a blending brush. For eyeshadow, I'll be using Marvelous Mauves by Dose of Colors with those shades. And I do start in the transitional part of the eye and I go into the crease. And for the last shade, I go more in the outer part of the eye to make the eye look bigger. And for the lid, I'm going to use the lightest shade that is in the palette. For the inner corner, I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill highlight. Now a little bit goes a long way. I ended up using too much, but I'll show you later on in the video how I went ahead and fixed that as best as I could. Now with the darkest shade on the palette, I'll be making a wing liner effect. So it does take me a while to get the wing liner to show, since I used a dark shade on the outer corner of my eyes, but I eventually get it, but it does take some time and patience. I'll be using the Morphe foundation that I used earlier for the top part of my brows. And the greatest thing about this foundation is that it is matte, so it makes your skin look dry. But if you have combination skin and your skin does get oily with foundation or makeup in general, this is something that I would recommend. And my face does not look oily. By the end of the day, it looks still refreshing. So this is a foundation that works really great for me. I'll be using the same NARS concealer that I used earlier to cover my dark circles. And I'll also be using a beauty blender to go ahead and blend all of that out. And with the leftover product on the beauty blender, I'll use it to get rid of the shimmer that I put on the inner corner of the eyes because I put too much. So I'll be using that to kind of not cover it up, but to make it look more natural as best as possible. I'll be setting the under eyes and my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. By Kat Von D, I'll be using shade light to contour my face. Now for this part, when I contour my cheeks, I don't go all the way down since I do have pretty big cheeks. And so I just keep it more on the edge of the face to make my face look a little bit more slimmer. If I bring it down, I'll definitely look a lot rounder than what I already am. And now I'll be going on the bottom by the chin and use whatever was left on the beauty blender to blend the contour out so it doesn't stand out so much. And I'll be contouring my nose as well. This is optional, you don't have to, I just did it for the video. Using the beauty blender to have the contour blended in more with the nose. And we'll be using the Jaclyn Hill highlighter again for my nose. And the darkest purple that I use to do the liner is the same thing that I'm using here. And I'll use the lightest shade to blend everything out under the eyes. After you're done with your eyes, you use mascara. And I won't be using any false lashes, so I'll just be using mascara for this look. And now I'll be putting on blush. Now I use a very little Jaclyn Hill highlight to highlight my cheekbones. Using a Dose of Colors lipstick. There you go. Let me know what you think.